Hi, I'm Liv. I'm with the Thrifty Notion. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on what is corduroy. So, corduroy is usually a cotton fabric. Sometimes you will find like a poly cotton blend out in the world, but most of the time it's made of 100% cotton. It comes in different weights. Sometimes it is more chunky and thick and heavy. This one you can see is a little lighter and thinner and a little more fluid. A lot of that depends on the wale, which is spelled W-A-L-E. Wale, the wale count. So you will see things like narrow wale corduroy or wide wale corduroy, or you will see something that says like 16 wale. This is 16 wale corduroy. That means in 1 inch, there are 16 of these little ridges in the fabric. So a higher number means skinnier little ridges. A lower number means big chunky ridges. So a wide wale corduroy might only have like 6 or 8 wales per inch, and that'll look really chunky. And those are the types of corduroys you see like jackets made out of, or like in the 90s we totally had pants made out of that. It might come back. Maybe it already has. I'm not paying attention. Anyway, this is corduroy. If you would like to buy some amazing vintage corduroy, you can check out our shop at thriftynotion.com.